Today we have a 2004 Pontiac Bonneville. It's the SE model with a 3.8 motor. The customer's saying, it is a '04, but the customer's saying they got a smell on the interior of the car. I was checking it over real quick, and I happened to notice that the cabin filter probably hasn't been changed since 2004. So we're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. So this is your GM 3.8 motor, excellent motor. That's why they stopped making them probably. It lasted too long. Okay, so a lot of times your cabin filter is inside, behind the glove box or something like that. For whatever reason, you can see they put this one right here outside, and you can tell it hasn't been touched in a little while. So you take these two tabs right here, you just raise it up. Be careful because the plastic is old. Just like that. Move. Oh, no wonder they got a smell in there. Looks like it's wet and everything else from years of not being changed. And you can see the it looks like some animals have been living here, some kind of animal. So we'll have to pull that out gently so it doesn't go flying all over the place. And it's ripping into it. Yeah, it's kind of old. All right. And the new ones are not supposed to look like that. You can also see that it doesn't look like it's ever been changed since '04. So this one is about the same size. It's got an airflow going one certain way, which is down, so it's going to have to go in like that. But since it hasn't been changed, there is so much debris and acorns or whatever in there. We're going to clean that out with a vac, and then we'll install the new one. As you can see, it's got a bunch of stuff. We pulled some of the acorns and that out of there. But the thing is there's a hole here, of course, going into your car. So what we have to do, you could blow it out with a hose and that, but everything's going to go in the car. So we're just going to take a vacuum that out real quick, and then install the new one. These things are flimsy, of course. So when you start putting it in, you can see on this side it's got a channel, and the same thing on this other side, it's got a channel. So you just got to walk it back nice and slow without collapsing it. So just gently push that back in there. Make sure your air's going down like that. It's got the arrow. Like I said, this is a little flimsier this way. You could buy the whole plastic piece, but then it was like 35, 40 bucks. Doing just this is 10. It's hard to get it in there sometimes, but then all you have to do is make sure these clips go on this back side here, like that, snap it into place, clip it down like that. That's all it takes to do a air cabin filter on a 2004 Pontiac Bonneville with a 3.8 motor.